Back at the scrapyard, another load from the neighborhood. Look at that glorious pile of steel. Let's get unloaded, Grandpa. All right, we got a nice load just from this morning on the list. Let's get to work. A little greasy, but don't slip, Grandpa, don't trip. No change in that one, so. This Kawasaki bicycle did not make it. Ah, Lord. Beautiful day in Southern California. This bicycle didn't make it either. Ah. Man, chimeneas, they weigh something, man. It was hard to move that one around this morning, let me tell you. This stove gotta go. Bicycle gone. Goodbye, chimney. This jack gotta go. Bicycle gone. No tripping hazard. Man, we making progress, little by little. Get rid of it. TV rack, goodbye. Ah, bed rails. Gotta love them. More bed rails. Wheels. Get him out of here, baby. Get it out of here, Grandpa. Don't fall. Push it on. Drive, drive, drive. Oh, mess. Oh, that's what my son would say. he ain't too far off, man. Man, we got it all out, just about gonna sweep it. Let's get weighed, get paid, baby. Let's go. 8 metal, so let's see, man, 1,800 pounds, 175, 146. Press any button. Love that. Please wait. Now, in Spanish we say espere. In Italian we say aspetta, and if you're from Ischia, they say aspetta. So here it comes. Por favor, per favore. Give me the money, baby. Better than Vegas. What? Got paid for cleaning up the community. Thank you, everybody, for the calls, man. That's pretty goddamn cool. And mostly, don't get run over by a truck. Talk to you guys later. Man, these trucks are big.